Hello friend, welcome back to my channel Take W3 Way. This is Vijay Kumar. In the last lesson, we have to learn the basic structure of attribute and expression in Lightning component. In this lesson, we will be see how to call a JavaScript function in Lightning component. So here I will be see how to create a Lightning button. In the Lightning button, I will call a custom function of JavaScript. Then here I will be see how to get a lightning button name value. So getting the name value, I will use event.getSource in JavaScript and passing the lightning button value to the Aura attribute. So let's jump to the my Salesforce org. So here I created a lightning Aura component. The component name is my custom component 2. So this component will call into the lightning application. So simply C colon and write the name of the component. So my custom custom component two. It is the name of the component. This component I am calling into the application, and I will create a attribute aura aura attribute name equal to text and data type equal to string and value. So and value by default passing the welcome to take the Muthiri way. So I creating a or attribute. Now I am creating a lightning card. Inside the lightning card, I created div. Inside the div, I am passing a class name. This P around medium. Inside the div, I am passing the attribute value. So take is the name of the attribute. So here is the value of attribute value by default. So this name will be passed inside the curly bracket. Simply not need double quote. Simply use curly bracket v dot name of the attribute. Save and refresh the page. Here you can see welcome to TechW3 Web. It is a display default value. Now I am creating a button. Whenever click on the button, this value will be changed on button function. So create a div, add a class name, SLDS around medium. Inside the div, I am creating lightning button. Close the lightning button type. Name equal to W3 Wave is a platform where you can learn step by step online free Salesforce. So I am passing the sentence in the name attribute in the button. Then here label equal to take label equal to same, and here I am passing the function on click equal to in the curly bracket. So here I create a button passing the name. Techno3 Web is a platform where you can learn step by step online free Salesforce, and label name is same. On click I am passing a function handler action, and here I will use a variant equal to brand, so that this button color will be visible as a blue color. So if refreshing the page, you can see button, and the default value is a, this is a value of attribute. By default I am setting default value welcome to Tech3 Web, and this is the static line. So whenever user click on the button, I will set the attribute. I have set the button name. So this is the name attribute value. I will get the name value and passing to the here in the attribute. So now I am creating a function. So on click button there is a handler action. Copy this function, create a function to create a controller. So there is a controller, click here, and I am replacing this function. So component event and helper, it is a predefined parameter. So first I will get the button source. So create a variable button value event dot get source. It will return all of the attribute value from lightning button. Now I am getting another one variable button name. So it will return the button name. So I am using this variable dot get v dot name. So it will return the name value from lightning button. Then I will set the value. I have set the value attribute. So this is the name of the attribute. By default it is a welcome to sales, welcome to Tech3 Web. Now I have set the value. So here component this dot set v dot take. This is the name of the attribute, comma, and this is the button name. Button name coming from, I will get button name this line. So on click, I will get the button name and set the value on the attribute. So refresh the page. So if I am clicking on the button, this value will be changed from this line. So click here and you can see TechW3 Web is a platform where you can learn step-by-step online free sales course. This line has been changed from JavaScript function. So here I create a function that is a button click function. This is a button click function. I create a button click function. I create a variable button value. So this is returning event.get source, and then I will get the button name attributes. So dot name, it will return a button name value. So button name value is a, this is a button name value. So I am storing the button name. Then I am setting the value into the attribute. So this is the attribute of our component take, and this by default is a welcome to take W3 Web. Now I am setting the value that is coming from our lightning button. So if you refresh the page, it will set by default value. Whenever you click on the button, it will share the lightning button name. So you can replace the value. So friends, here I learned how to create a button, how to get the value of button, and how to pass the button value into the lightning or attribute. So friends, if you stuck in anything of issue to create a lightning button, create a function into the JavaScript of our component, and how to pass the value from button to our lightning attribute, please write in comment box and don't forget to check and subscribe my channel Tech W3 Bay. Thank